Well, today is officially the day, you guys. Anyway, what's up, y'all? Chet Guthrie, the Dream Poet here, coming to you all with the Cleveland Metal Foundry restoration project. This channel, the owners of this property, they wanted me to document all the restoration work that is going on with this foundry from the 1940s. And anyway, guys, this is the fourth video. If you've all seen, we've started from rock bottom and we have worked our way up to cleaning out the rooms. And today we are finally cleaning out the main damage with a skid steer. But before we get to that, we're going to check out this one room. We are going to test the water of the runoff that runs through this property, and we're going to get to the fun stuff. It's coming together. It's really nice. But anyway, you guys, let's get to it. And if you all are curious, this is how much garbage came out of one room. So yeah, it's just been me the last couple of days. Today is the big day though, as I was saying. Y'all gotta see what this office area looks like. Anyway, it was just me cleaning stuff out yesterday, but I swear the room that I was cleaning out, this is one big time capsule. One second, let me do this real quick so we can have some more light. It's crazy. Oh, fudge. Let me put this right here. Here, and I'll show you. Now, up until yesterday, you couldn't even get back here. Like, you see the chicken wire? All of that was hanging around. But despite the ceiling that's coming out that has to be pulled out as well, it's like this this office, it's like they closed it, like they just closed it just yesterday and just left everything behind. Look, there's, okay, that's cool. That's an old computer. Of course, we've got a bookcase. I might see with the owners if it's all right if I take that. If not, that's okay. So I do like that bookcase. And this will be my job, either this video or next video. It's pretty darn gross. Anyway, yeah, check out the room from yesterday.
Okay. And I bought 3 more lights when I was at Harbor Freight. They were on sale. Set these up real quick.
Okay.
Hot batteries too.
Like I said, you can actually walk in it.
Okay.
And yay, we got more lights. So we can really hang them just about anywhere. Should we hang it in here? Oh wow. I say these are way brighter.
Okay. These are even better.
Okay, so let's hang it right here. Shiny.
Let's just start.
Like, this is the room that
Whatever you think we can sell, it's like this little time clock thing might be a good antique for somebody to buy. We could pull all this shit out of the ceiling. But let me see if I've got, I know I do. I've got in my car some masks.
Okay.
Did you bring that respirator to see if it works?
Yeah, I got it with me.
Okay. All right, we'll go in one room at a time, so I guess, let's see. Let's put this over here so we can take pictures of the floor.
This is pretty
This is gross.
Pretty gross.
Oh, listen, that front room was grosser than all of this because it had raccoons.
Yeah, now that we're getting to work on this room, you see stuff. It's almost as if all of this is frozen in time. So there's an old work clock. Old work clothes. I know for a fact this is where they kept all their records. So anyway, guys, we're gonna move all this out. And I need to get my gloves. Okay. Now let's chuck it. Alright, I think I'll fast forward. Let y'all see the finished product. Come check out what we've done so far. By the way, there's Eli. We have been tossing everything out. Didn't really show what all this was. Here you go. This, the only thing that's left in this room is this desk. It's too heavy. And as we've done all the work, this is the only one. It's kind of funny. This is the room that I started with, and we still haven't really hit it all that much, but we're going to be hitting it here in a minute. Well, that's one way of doing it. We had to move it in.
Get it out of here.
Man, it turned out to be that kind of vlog. So I guess it's time to start tossing it out. So now that Tanya is here, let's check out the water. Let's see if there's any real contaminants in it. In it. There we go.
Okay, well maybe we'll just leave it for tomorrow.
Hey Tanya.
Yeah.
What about where did you get those little boots from the kids section?
I did get them from the kids section.
All right, you guys, we're gonna test the water now.
All right, Kat, you're in charge of instructions.
In charge of instructions?
Or I can read the instructions, whoever wants to do what.
All right, well, I'll come over there real quick.
Hand that to Chet. Hand that to Chet, and there's the
I'm gonna
vial.
stay up here and I'm
I
gonna
think
read
like
the
right
instructions.
here where it's starting to stream flow from this test sample there.
Okay. All right. Got here are
Right
the
here.
instructions. Shake the bottle forcefully for 20 seconds to dissolve the powder.
Of what powder?
Looks like looks like it comes with powder. Okay, the
All right,
test.
so it says hold it in there for 2 seconds.
Okay, hold it in there for 2 seconds.
Probably.
Okay.
Okay, now, let's see.
Let's see what it says.
All right, it says, okay, the pH looks like it is 0. Then where's purple? Purple is, yeah, flip it this way. All right, here. Now, let's see. The orange, it looks like it's 7. Purple is, oh, it looks like this one, the second one.
So is
The
it
third
like,
one, the third one is the second one.
So you guys, this is good.
Yeah, it's
The only
good.
thing it showed that it's a little bit acidic and there's a little bit acidic and a little bit of salt. We gotta wait for that in a little while. And while we were doing the water test, you guys, the Bobcat came in. This is where the real fun starts. Okay, now you're not gonna believe this. There is actually a concrete floor in this building. And John got done, or did what probably would have taken weeks to do if he had all done it by hand. But yeah. This is so amazing. Like looking at the side-by-side comparison of what it did look like just till up to a few minutes ago.
Which threw that off over there. It's
this just happened.
It was on the outside.
While we were,
or
I should say,
technically
John
the inside
was in there.
I think that's why that looks
somehow, in some way,
but
the tire came off the. They're starting to come off the wheel. So we're probably gonna get back to it here in a minute. And we finally got it working again. Guys came out and put the wheels back. And right now, Jason, I'm helping him. We are getting all this junk out. Like I was saying, there's an actual floor there. And by the way, we did have a wood chipper. In an upcoming video on this restoration project, I'll show y'all what we've accomplished in that.
if you can pick that end up and flip it over that way. Back end's gonna come up, so over that side.
Yeah. I swear, it's like I keep bringing out more wood. We keep chucking. And we still got a whole bunch of stuff that's left over. But we're about finished. I'd probably say maybe just a few more hours of work. By the way, while we were working on that, John is now officially kicking some butt in the big area. Just to crush him.
Alright.
We got a lot of it done.
Yay.
But there was an issue with the skid steer. There was a leakage in it. So anyway, let me show y'all what the guys got done today. The main room with all the hot garbage in it is gone. Or at least for the most part anyway. That was fun watching a skid steer come in here and open up a lot of this. Now the guys are kind of worried about this piece because it might fall off and it might do some damage, but I don't know too much yet. So I mean, it's still a work in progress. I still think it's so cool that we can get out here and just walk it. Probably they'll have to rent it again, possibly. But then again, maybe we can work something out. Maybe we would have to go and do it by hand, but for the time being, this is so nice that you can actually walk back here and back and forth. Granted, there's still a crap ton of stuff that needs to happen before this place gets operational again. So anyway, guys, this is going to be another foundry restoration video for another day. We're making progress. This place is slowly coming back to life. I'll tell you, I enjoy working with the guys. It's fun. especially being a part of history. I think that's what I like the most. But anyway, you guys, remember, make sure to like and subscribe. Always means a lot. Goes to show that y'all care and that y'all want to see more restoration videos. The retelling of this place's story and bringing it back. See y'all in the next one. Peace.